This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to get smithing templates. These unique items are crucial for enhancing your gear, allowing you to upgrade diamond items to powerful netherite or add stylish cosmetic trims to your armor. While you cannot craft a template from basic materials, you can duplicate any template you find. This guide will walk you through where to locate these valuable templates and how to make more once you have one. To upgrade your diamond gear to netherite, you will need a netherite upgrade smithing template. These rare templates are found only in bastion remnants, deep within the nether. Search chests in areas like Hoglin stables or bridge sections where there is a 10% chance to find one. For a guaranteed template, seek out a treasure room within a bastion remnant. Its chest always contains one. Remember, one template upgrades one item. Armor trim templates allow you to personalize your armor with unique patterns. There are 18 distinct trim designs, each originating from a specific structure across your world. For instance, you might find a dune trim in a desert pyramid or a rib trim in a nether fortress. The coast trim can be found in shipwrecks. Some special trims are even obtained by excavating suspicious blocks in trail ruins or by defeating an elder guardian for the tide trim. Once you acquire a smithing template, you can easily duplicate it to create more. Head to a crafting table and combine one existing template with 7 diamonds. You will also need one specific block that corresponds to the template's origin. For example, netherrack is used for the netherite upgrade template. This recipe will consume your materials, but will yield 2 templates, ensuring you have enough for all your upgrading and trimming needs.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.